Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. The Bulk Copy Open Sales Invoices app is a quick copy tool for copying bulk documents from the Open Sales Invoices list page. You just need to select invoices from the Open Sales Invoices list page and click the button Bulk Copy Invoice, and the app will create new sales invoices for you with a new posting date based on your workdate settings. To do a bulk copy of Open Sales Invoices, search for Sales Invoices on the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select invoices you wanted to copy by selecting More or by pressing Ctrl on keyboard and left mouse click. Click Bulk Copy Invoice action from the menu. Select Yes to proceed the bulk copy invoices. Sales invoices created.